Local news for Monday, the 11th of November. The Mangatarere stream, a tributary of the Wahine River, was one of three rivers awarded the Most Improved River category at this year's New Zealand River Awards held last Friday in Wellington. Following a decade of restoration and improved effluent management, the waters of the stream have progressively improved, resulting in lower levels of E. coli and a higher macroinvertebrate community index. Wellington police are seeking Matthew Lee Christensen, a 27-year-old man with multiple warrants to arrest. Christensen is believed to be in the Wellington, Wairarapa or Palmerston North area and should not be approached. The Marston and RSA and District Council are inviting the community to the Armistice Day service being held today at 11:15 at the Cenotaph at Marston and Queen Elizabeth Park. And the New Zealand Heartland team have finished their three-match tour with 1 win and 2 losses. The side featured Wairarapa Bush players Lockie McFadgen, Tristan Flutie and Tim Priest. And East Coast took out the club Sevens on Saturday at Memorial Park, beating Martinborough in a free-flowing final 20 points to 10. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.